Hey everyone, today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI and uncovering some unexpected ways you can make money with it. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now, I know what you're thinking. AI, that sounds complicated, right? But trust me, it doesn't have to be. In fact, AI is creating some seriously unexpected ways to make money, and I'm here to break it all down for you. We're going beyond the usual tech talk and getting into the nitty-gritty of how you can actually use AI to your advantage. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an entrepreneur looking for the next big thing, or just curious about the future of making money, this video is for you. So grab your notebooks, get ready to take some notes, and let's unlock the money-making potential of AI together. 1. Let's talk about content creation. Blogs, articles, social media posts, even video scripts. Creating engaging content takes time. That's where AI swoops in. Imagine a brainstorming partner available 24/7. It's the power of AI. Platforms like Jasper.ai are changing the game. Jasper helps create all sorts of content. Give Jasper a topic and it generates text options. It's like having a super-powered writing assistant. AI won't replace human creativity. AI is a tool. Its power lies in the user. AI frees up time for strategic and creative work. It handles research, outlining, and drafting. You focus on refining and adding your touch. AI helps streamline your process and boost productivity. Consistency is key, and AI helps you stay ahead. These tools are user-friendly and intuitive. Jump right in and start creating. Leverage AI to boost your income through content creation. 2. Now, let's move on to something that gets a lot of people excited: making money in the stock market. But let's face it, the world of finance can feel like a jungle, especially if you're not a seasoned investor. But what if you had an AI-powered guide to help you navigate the complexities of the market? That's where AI-driven trading platforms come in. These platforms use sophisticated algorithms to analyze market trends, identify potential investment opportunities, and even execute trades on your behalf. Tools like Trade Ideas are revolutionizing the way people invest. Trade Ideas, for example, uses AI to scan the market for stocks that meet your specific criteria, helping you make more informed trading decisions. Now, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme here. Investing always involves risk, and AI is not a magic bullet. But what AI can do is provide you with data-driven insights and analysis that can help you make more informed decisions. Imagine having access to real-time market data, predictive analytics, and even personalized investment recommendations, all powered by AI. It's like having a team of financial analysts working for you around the clock. These AI-powered platforms can help you identify trends, spot potential risks, and optimize your portfolio for maximum returns. They can also automate certain tasks, like rebalancing your portfolio or executing trades based on your preset parameters. Now, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as the person using it. You still need to do your own research, understand your risk tolerance, and make investment decisions that align with your financial goals. But by leveraging the power of AI, you can gain a significant advantage in the market. You can access insights that would have been impossible to obtain before, and you can make more informed decisions that can potentially lead to greater returns. So if you're looking to explore the world of investing or want to take your trading game to the next level, AI-powered tools are definitely worth checking out. 3. Next up, let's talk about a world that's near and dear to many of us: online shopping. E-commerce is booming, and AI is playing a major role in its evolution. But AI's role in e-commerce goes far beyond just recommending products you might like. AI is changing the game for businesses of all sizes, and it's creating some exciting opportunities for entrepreneurs and side hustlers alike. Imagine having an AI-powered assistant that can help you personalize the shopping experience for each and every customer. That's the power of platforms like Shopify, which offer a suite of AI-driven tools to help you optimize your online store. Shopify's AI can analyze customer data to recommend products, personalize marketing messages, and even provide real-time support through chatbots. Now let's talk about personalization for a second. In today's crowded online marketplace, personalization is key to standing out from the competition. Customers are bombarded with choices, and they're more likely to engage with brands that offer them a tailored experience. AI allows you to deliver that personalized touch at scale. It can track customer preferences, purchase history, and even browsing behavior to create a unique profile for each shopper. This information can then be used to recommend products they're more likely to buy, offer personalized discounts, and even tailor the entire website experience to their individual needs. Think about it. No more generic product recommendations or one-size-fits-all marketing campaigns. With AI, you can create a shopping experience that feels tailor-made for each customer, increasing engagement, conversions, and ultimately, your bottom line. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to leverage these AI-powered tools. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to implement these features into your existing online store, so you can start reaping the benefits of AI without any technical headaches. So, if you're looking to start an online business or want to take your existing e-commerce store to the next level, AI is the secret weapon you need to succeed in today's competitive market. 4. Let's shift gears now and talk about something that affects us all: healthcare. AI is poised to revolutionize the healthcare industry, and it's already making a significant impact in areas like diagnostics, treatment planning, and even drug discovery. Now, I know what you might be thinking. AI in healthcare? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But the truth is, AI is already being used in hospitals and clinics around the world to improve patient care and outcomes. One of the most promising applications of AI in healthcare is in the field of diagnostics. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, with incredible accuracy, helping doctors detect diseases at earlier stages. Take IBM Watson Health, for example. Watson is an AI platform that's being used by hospitals and research institutions to analyze massive amounts of medical data, including patient records, clinical trials, and medical literature. Watson can help doctors diagnose diseases like cancer more accurately and at earlier stages when treatment is most effective. It can also assist with treatment planning, recommending personalized treatment options based on a patient's individual medical history and genetic makeup. But AI's potential in healthcare goes far beyond diagnostics. AI-powered robots are being used in surgery to assist surgeons with complex procedures, improving precision and reducing recovery times. AI is also being used to develop new drugs and therapies at a faster pace than ever before. By analyzing vast datasets of genetic information and clinical trial data, AI can identify promising drug candidates and predict their effectiveness, accelerating the drug discovery process. Now, it's important to remember that AI is not meant to replace healthcare professionals. Instead, it's a powerful tool that can augment their capabilities, enhance their decision-making, and ultimately improve patient care. So while we might not have flying cars just yet, the future of healthcare is here, and it's powered by AI. And as AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications in the years to come. 5. Finally, let's talk about something that can make or break a business: customer service. In today's fast-paced world, customers expect instant gratification, and that includes quick and efficient customer support. But providing round-the-clock customer service can be costly and time-consuming, especially for small businesses and startups. That's where AI comes in, offering a cost-effective and efficient solution: chatbots. Chatbots are AI-powered virtual assistants that can interact with customers in real time, answering questions, resolving issues, and even providing personalized recommendations. And the best part? They can do it all without any human intervention. Platforms like ChatGPT are making it easier than ever to create and deploy sophisticated chatbots. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can be trained to understand your products or services, answer frequently asked questions, and even handle basic customer service tasks. Imagine this: a customer visits your website at 2 a.m. with a question about their order. Instead of waiting until business hours to contact customer support, they can simply interact with your chatbot, get an instant answer, and be on their way. Chatbots can handle a wide range of customer service tasks, from answering simple questions to processing returns and even providing technical support. They can also collect valuable customer data, such as common pain points and frequently asked questions, which can be used to improve your products or services. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Will chatbots replace human customer service agents altogether? And the answer is not necessarily. While chatbots are incredibly efficient at handling routine tasks, there will always be situations where human intervention is required. But by automating the majority of customer service interactions, chatbots can free up your human agents to focus on more complex issues that require empathy, creativity, and problem-solving skills. So if you're looking for a way to improve your customer service, reduce costs, and provide a seamless experience for your customers, AI-powered chatbots are definitely worth considering. And there you have it. 5 unexpected ways to make money with AI. From content creation and stock trading to e-commerce and healthcare, AI is transforming industries and creating new opportunities for anyone willing to embrace its potential. Remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, its power lies in the hands of the user. So stay curious, explore these different avenues, and see how you can leverage the power of AI to achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.